If you want to add and change keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings we should be able to scroll down and go to General Management. Over here in the General Management we want to proceed to Samsung Keyboard Settings, and here we can go to Languages and Types, and now we can choose Manage Input Languages. In here we can add a new language or remove the old language if you no longer need it, and that we want to use on the keyboard. Of course, the list is quite long. If you want to, you can use the search option in the upper right corner, and then we can type the language that we want to use. There we go. So we're gonna download it, and then it should be immediately selected. On the top of the list, we should be able to, of course, choose and decide which languages we want to use and which ones should not be accessible anymore. Now, in order to switch between languages, so if you decide to use 2 languages or more, if you open your keyboard on the spacebar, we can see which language is being used at a given moment. And if you tap on this globe icon here, then you should be able to switch to a different language. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.